What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for another Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster construction update. Hopefully, there has been some new progress. Let's go! So, to kick off the update, all of the Minions and Monsters promo stuff is gone from the movie theater, and now we have the Odyssey showing off July 17th, 2026. Split point. Coaster off to the side, and hopefully, like I said, we'll see some new progress. I don't know if the weather was bad last night. From what I saw on the radar, everything looked good. Fingers crossed. There's the coaster. I don't really see anything new track-wise, at least over here. No new columns. So again, hoping they're working on the switch. They did take the straps off the spike though. That's a good thing. Over here at the alleyway, I can see crews have worked on the brake run with some catwalks and some of the braces. But I'm not seeing any new columns or track. I take that back. I see a couple new columns right over by the switch actually. Archway still looking the same. However, I see a bunch of workers over here on the right hand side, and they're looking at the arch. Not super misty over here. It's not like soup this morning. It is warm, but not terrible. Made it to Hard Rock. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the top deck. Let's see what is new. And right off the bat, we have switch stuff. Yeah, some columns over there, along with the pieces that physically slide across so it can switch over to the launch track. Everything else over here is looking just about the same, but yeah, good to see the switch finally going in. Alrighty guys, so that is going to do it for Hard Rock for right now. I do want to get over to Islands for early admission. I don't think there's going to be anything too new, at least as far as lost content, but if there is, we'll show you. Scaffolding still up over there. at the market and export. Yeah, buddy. Another night, and you survived.
See you sometime, dude.
We have arrived at Hagrid's. Yeah, not delayed this morning. We'll get right on, and after that, go ride Velocicoaster. Alrighty, so here is the former express line for Hagrid's. Nobody in it. Kind of nice. Only waited about 5-10 minutes this morning. Got on. Now we're heading to Velocicoaster. Jurassic Park Archway. It's a two-torch day. Yeah, so right side is lit up, left side is not. Velocicoaster sign showing a ride now, and we will. And we have arrived. Alrighty guys, so we just did Velocicoaster twice. Got middle for the first ride and back for the second ride. First ride waited about 5 minutes, second one about 20 minutes. More people started coming over for early admission. It's alright though, ride's running good. And now I'm gonna head over to River Adventure and just take a quick look and see what's different. Work walls over here. Looks to be about the same. I'm not seeing any new thatch on the entrance right off the bat, at least. And same over at Outfitters, no change. Now we're over by the splashdown. In a recent update, they had drained all the water, and from what I can see, it looks to be about the same situation right now. Good morning, Rexy. Kong showing ride now. And of course we have P-Flyers doing its thing. Nobody on that one right there, but there are people riding it. Didn't cover it on the way in, but we have the Croissant Moon Bakery still behind scaffolding and work walls. Come on, finish it. We're back over at Hard Rock. Gonna take another quick look at the switch and then head into studios. All right, now we're at the top of Hard Rock and the lighting is much better. We're getting views of the switch over there, and hopefully crews are gonna be adding track tonight to that. After the switch, I'm expecting them to work on the area over here or come off the mid-course or the turn, or hell, they could even go over here to this area and work on that, but the crane's in a very good spot right now for a lot of work. Well, I do believe that is going to do it for us over here at Hard Rock. We're going to head over to studios and hopefully see some stuff inside the park. Just a real quick look at Category 10. They haven't really done much since our last update. They're still doing a lot of deconstruction right now. Guest services window does not have a wait. Neither do the ticket windows over here. And we have both sides of the turnstiles open. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through. We are on our way. You already know it is boiling hot. I'm already sweating like crazy. Gonna have storms in the afternoon. Hopefully it doesn't affect the guys tonight when they're back at 8 p.m. to put track on, hopefully. The lighting truss that was installed in yesterday's update, still here. Do not have the entry sign just yet. Hopefully in the next week or two. Minion Land, we have work walls over here. They're doing some utility work. They tore up the concrete and they're gonna have to replace it. But yeah, that's what these work walls are for. Stage area, off to the right. No new track, unfortunately. Again, we are expecting them to build off of that little hill before the final brake run. but it does not appear that was the case. They did, however, work on the catwalks. I did see that. Race through New York. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing my buddy Hashtag. Where's Hashtag? Now we're over in the station and maintenance barn area. Last update, we showed you new cable trays were heading in. Crane is in the air again, probably working on the final brake run. Station looks pretty good. Still missing that end piece to cover up the roof, but hopefully that'll be going on soon. Look at the cable trays and drive tires that have been installed. Hole in the wall over here. Still is, well, a hole in the wall.
Do Ghostbusters, right? And you do the staple of marshmallow maker, but that one element makes it believable.
So one other thing I did want to note when I was walking around, seeing the station area, they are really working on a ton of catwalks right now and the walkways that are along the track. So the final brake run is getting a lot of that right now, and we saw that in some of the footage. Over here by Revenge of the Mummy, we have a new tent that was installed with some queuing. Not exactly sure what that's for, but that wasn't here yesterday. And across the way, we still have the scaffolding and work walls up for Finnegan's. Getting a multi-million-dollar renovation. Right now, really can't see much with it. Over here by Supercharged, still have the Ghirardelli Tower all wrapped up. And that's pretty much going to do it. I'm not going to be walking around the park. They may have put a couple more lighting trusses up for HHN, but not enough for me to be like, oh man, I got to cover this. Nothing new over here at 5 and Dime. We do have the lovely Marilyn out taking photos. I have no idea how I didn't notice this when I first walked in, but yeah, new lighting truss right here at the main entrance too. Alright, before ending this video, I want to head over to the storage lot, see if they have loaded up some new track and columns, and then we'll be leaving and editing the video. Looks like a lot of the river adventure boats are missing, so they're being used for testing now. Well, that was pretty neat seeing some of the new track and columns on the trucks. We're ready to head over here to the park and hopefully get installed soon. That's going to do it for update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. Exciting stuff, as they did place part of the switch, just need the track. And then over at the station and maintenance barn, they are putting in a ton of the walkways right now. So more track hopefully going up in the next couple days. Crews are going to be busy over the next couple weeks. Again, we're expecting that they're going to have all the track done sometime before HHN. We'll have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.